Hi and welcome on CuisineEasy.tv. Today we're going to see the recipe of Melon and Parma ham, a quick and easy recipe perfect for a starter. So like always, we're going to start with the ingredients. 25 grams of rocket salad, a quarter of Gallia melon, 2 slices of Parma ham, 2 pinches of grilled sesame seeds, about 15 dry berries, about 2 tablespoons of walnut oil and black pepper. We're going to start by taking off the skin of the melon. And I'm going to cut slices of 2 3mm sticks. Now take a plate and put the slices into it. Now we're going to add our 2 slices of Parma ham, trying to do like a little roses. Now take your rocket salad and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of walnut oil, followed by the grilled sesame seeds, and the dried red berries. Put some black pepper and toast everything. And put that rocket salad into the plate. And here you go with a cheap and simple starter. Like I said, it was a very easy and quick recipe. Don't forget you can subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking that button right here, and I'll see you very soon for more videos on CuisineEasy.tv.